Okay, we're going to go over some of the features of Tuxpaint. So if you will scroll down and click on the penguin on your dock, that's going to open up Tuxpaint. Now, one thing about this program is it can make some very odd noises, so you're probably either going to want to put in your headphones or mute your sound on your computer. So once it opens up, you may come up with a blank canvas. If you don't, let me just go to the gallery here and pretend like when you opened it up, this is what it looked like. So to get a blank canvas, you're going to come over here and click on the word New. And once you do, then it comes up with your blank canvas, and so you can choose what background color you want. And in this example, I think I'm going to go with this blue color. And then you just click open, and here's your canvas. So here's the tools on the left-hand side. You've got a paintbrush. So when you click on the paintbrush, over here it's going to show you what size paintbrush you can paint with. So I'm going to choose a thick paintbrush. I'm going to come down here and pick the color green. And I'm just going to start drawing my Christmas tree. 3 triangles ought to do it. And you can draw whatever you want to be your Christmas background. I'm going to get a little bit smaller brush, and I'm going to go over here to red, and I'm going to put some berries on my tree. Now, if you click on stamp, you don't have a whole lot of options over here, but you can also draw a line. So let's say I wanted to put some lights on it, and I'm going to do some purple lights, and I can do lines from here to here if I choose. If you make a mistake, see I went too far, then I can go back over here to undo, and I can undo my last thing that I did. Let me get a trunk on this tree real quick. Oh, I'm still in my line tool. That was the problem. I'm going to go back up here to my paintbrush and put a trunk on my tree. Okay, so that's the line tool. I can go over here to shapes, and I can scroll down and find a star. I want a yellow star at the top, and I'm going to start drawing my star about right here, and see I can stretch it out, bring it up or down. I'm going to want it about that size, and then I have to click because I can rotate it if I wanted to, and then it makes my star. So that's the shape tool. You will not be using the text or label tool, so do not put any words on this slide. But down here is where I wanted to show you magic. So if you click on magic, there's all kinds of things here. So I could lay down some bricks. Let's say I'm going to put a fireplace right here. I'm going to lay me some bricks. There's all kinds of ones. Cartoon is pretty fun. You go across here and it's going to outline everything in black to make it kind of cartoony looking, which is kind of fun. But you can play around with all of these different magic tools. If you didn't like that, you could just click undo and take it off. So if I scroll down here to snow or snowball, and these are alphabetized. See, these headlines or titles are alphabetized. If I click on snowball, then it gives me some snow. So you're going to draw your picture in Tuxpaint. Then you're going to screen capture the picture. So make sure your cursor's not on there. Command-Shift-4. Just get your picture. Make sure you don't get any of the sides over here. So don't get over here. Just get your picture. Let go, and it's going to screen capture it and drop it on your desktop. And then you can close out of Tuxpaint. So you click the little red dot up here. Yes, I'm done. Yes, you can save it if you want to. So if I hit yes, save, the next time I come back into Tuxpaint, when it opens back up, then it's either right here or I can click open, and now it's saved to the gallery and I can pick it from there. But you don't have to save it. If you're through with your image and you've screen captured it, you don't have to save it. So I'm going to say, yes, I'm done. And then I can say, yes, save it, or no, don't save it. So turn this into me in Google Classroom, and then you're going to want to change the name of it. So you do that by clicking on the image, then click on it slowly one more time, and you'll see that the title of the image is in light blue. So if you'll just simply type your name and drag it up here into the folder on your desktop, then you have access to it for the next part of this assignment.